Hi, first graders. Hi, families. It's March 30th, week one of distance learning. Looks like we will spend a few weeks this way connecting. I miss seeing you guys. I miss hearing from you. If you want to write me a letter, let me know. I will get you my address. You can send me a message on Seesaw. I'd love to know what you guys have been doing, what you're planning on doing, things like that. This is kind of how this week will start. In your packet, you should have received week one, March 30th through April 3rd, paperwork. We have laid out the days of the week, and here are your tasks for the day. You have a read aloud. I will be reading tops and bottoms. There's a video that you can watch. I am asking a question at the end of that. I'd like you to discuss it with your family. You can draw a picture, you can write about it. If you'd like, you can take a picture and send it to me on Seesaw. That could be your form of attendance that day. Journaling. There's a journal prompt that I will send to you. Today is Make It Monday. It's drawing a picture and labeling. I'd also like you to write at least 3 sentences to go along with your picture. You can take a photo of this and send it to me on Seesaw for your attendance. The next job, read to self, or it can be reading to someone. You can read to your dog, you can read to your brother, you can read to your parents, whichever. Here are your choices. Epic, that's that online program that has a ton of different books for you guys to look at. Or if you have a book from home that you want to read, absolutely go for that. This should be about 15 minutes of your day. If you want to spend more time reading, go for it. Absolutely. So yes, that is the 3 jobs that you have for today. If you notice on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, there is not a question to go along with the read aloud. Just enjoy it. But every day there will be a journal entry, and I would like to see 3 sentences or more. Remember to use your check-it paper to make sure that you have complete sentences. Read to self or read to someone every day, at least 15 minutes. This is going to really help. This week, your work for each day should not be more than 45 minutes. So if you're already taking 15 minutes for read to self, between the read aloud and journaling should be about a half hour. If you do want to do more work, there are 3 options down at the bottom. Lililo is a web site that I have sent information to get logged in. It has phonics work, sight words, word families, comprehension for each student. It gives a placement test to begin with and kind of works with you at your level. This information is sent to me so I can see what the kids have been working on and their progress. I love to see that progress. ABC YA is a free program. It has both math, literacy, games. Enjoy it. And IXL, log in like you would at school. This information also is sent to me, and so I can see what you've completed and if you are struggling with anything, and I can help you with that. This also has math and reading. So, week one, it's kind of trying it out. If you have any questions, concerns, if you're struggling to get logged into anything, please let me know, and I will walk you through that. Can't wait to hear from you. Can't wait to see those pictures of you guys doing things, and I can't wait to be back in the classroom with you. Enjoy your day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.